Let's face it, nobody likes paying taxes, and nobody likes being scammed into forking over hard-earned cash. Yet taxpayers get duped every day by fraudsters who ramp up their scams during tax season. As you gather your paperwork and prepare your taxes to meet the April 18th deadline, don't be fooled by what are among the worst schemes reported by the IRS. Number 1. You're checking your email and a message pops up that looks like it's from the IRS, asking you to clarify your personal information. That's a scam. The IRS never initiates email contact with the taxpayer for anything. Not personal information, not income data, nothing. The IRS reports a 400% increase in email and malware scams this tax season. If you see an email that looks suspicious, delete it. The same goes for the electronic federal tax payment system. That's a real legitimate organization, but it too would never initiate a request over email. Snail mail may seem old school, but it's the only method by which the government initiates contact with taxpayers. Number 2. There are times when the IRS really does need information and money from you. And you might even get a phone call from someone claiming to be from the IRS, and even the caller ID might look legit. That's a scam. The IRS will never call you asking for money, no matter how much you owe. This is one of the most prolific methods scammers take to trick unsuspecting people into handing over money. How bad is it? Since 2013, more than 5,000 people have been scammed via phone and have paid IRS impersonating phone scammers more than $26 million. Number 3, being pitched a charity to donate to? That could be a scam. It can lower one's taxable income liability, not to mention a great way to help those in need. But don't assume it's a legit group and you can just write it off come tax time. It's another area in which scammers lurk, hoping to dupe taxpayers. The IRS's website features a tool to check on the status of tax-exempt organizations for not only sorting through the thousands of organizations eligible for receiving tax-deductible contributions, but to check to see if a charitable group's tax-exempt status has been revoked. And if you do give, never send cash, and keep records of your payments for tax purposes. So what's the lesson? If communication from the taxman seems shady, it probably is. And make sure to check your mailbox.